Hey, I'm Dr. Laura Koniver. I'm a medical physician and I'm the author of the book, The Earth Prescription. And my favorite holistic healing practice, and the one that has been the most scientifically studied and medically verified, is the healing practice of grounding. That is touching our body to the earth outside. Within milliseconds of that direct conductive contact, your muscles relax. Your brainwave patterns shift, your vagal tone gets a boost, and your heart rate variability gets optimized. Your digestion improves over time, your cortisol lowers because you're not living in stress and fight and flight. You're actually living in a healthy, healing, restorative way. So conventional physicians are very well trained to look at the electrical conductivity of the human body in order to diagnose disease and help guide treatment. We might look at an EKG to see if you've had a heart attack, or we might look at your brainwave patterns in a sleep study to see if you have sleep apnea or to rule out a seizure. But in holistic medicine, we like to look at ways to help support the health of the body, not just fire hose and treat illness. We can touch the earth and conductively reboot our electrical system so that we optimize our cardiac health, we optimize our brain health, we optimize our muscle function, our digestion, our longevity. We decrease inflammation, and actually grounding is one of the most well-researched, medically studied holistic healing modalities we know of. And I'd love to have multiple experiences with you where we're grounded together, we're feeling that instant reset, we're feeling that health boost. We literally experience it in session after session after session, so that when we're done with our time together, you leave knowing how to reach for this healing modality on a routine basis, just like you brush your teeth every day or put your seatbelt on. You're going to include and incorporate grounding as part of a daily health practice, and your body will noticeably function better. You will have improvement in your health, and it will protect you for the rest of your life. So I look forward to meeting you at this grounding event. I look forward to experiencing grounding with you, and I look forward to answering every single question you have about grounding so that we can set you up for an optimal lifetime of longevity and health.